Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can write a C program to check whether a number is even number or odd number. So how we can say that a number is even or odd? What we do is we take the number and we divide this number by 2. So at that time we will check the remainder value. If this remainder is 0, then we say that this number is even number. If this remainder is a non-zero value, then we will say that the number is odd number. Here, for example, let us say we have the number 14. We take this 14 and we divide it by 2. So it will be 2 sevens are 14 and we get this remainder as 0. So we can say that this 14 is even number. Similarly, let us say we have the number 17. So again we divide it by 2. So this time it will be 2 18s are 16 and we get 1 as the remainder. Since this remainder is a non-zero value, we can say that this 17 is an odd number. So now let us see how we can write a simple C program for this. So the first thing that we do here is we will include the stdio.h header file to our program so that we can use the printf and scanf functions in our program. So it will be #include stdio.h, and then we will have the main function, and in the end of this main function we will have return 0 to indicate that this program completed without any issues to the caller of this program, which is the operating system. So now the first thing that we do is we will declare the variables that we need in this program. In this program, we will ask the user to enter the number, and that's why we need a variable for storing the user input. I will take integer data type. I will call the variable as number, and then we need a variable for storing the remainder value that we are going to calculate. I will call this variable as rem. You guys can give any name. The next thing that we can do is we can ask the user to enter the number. So here I will use the printf function and I will say enter a positive integer, and after seeing this message the user will enter a value. We can read that value by using the scanf function. Here the format specifier will be %d, and we will get the address of the variable number by using ampersand operator along with this variable name, and we provide it as the place where we want to store the user input. Okay, so now we have the number that the user has entered in this number variable. Now we have to calculate the remainder value when we divide the number by 2. So how we can do that? In almost all programming languages, we have an operator called as modulus operator, which is denoted by this percentage symbol. This operator provides the remainder value when we divide a number by another number. So here, in this case, we want to get the remainder value when we divide the value present in this number variable by 2. And that's why we will write this operation like this. So here we want to divide the value present in this number variable by 2 and we want the remainder value. So this modulus operator returns the remainder value when it divides the value present in this number variable by 2. So we can use the parentheses to group the calculation like this, and whatever the remainder value that we get here from this operation, we can store that in this rem variable. Okay. Now the last thing that we have to do is we have to check whether this remainder is a 0 or whether it is a non-zero value. So we can use the if-else conditional statement. So we will use if, and then we will check the value present in this variable rem. So it will be if the remainder is 0. Note that we are using the double equal to here, which is a comparison operator. If the remainder is 0, then we will use the printf function and we will display the message stating that number is even. So here I will say %d is even number. And here for this placeholder, I will provide the value present in this number variable. Okay. Now if the remainder is a non-zero value, for that we will have the else part. It means that the number is odd number. So we will display that message to the screen. I will copy this printf. I will paste it in here like this. And then we will say odd number. Okay. So now we have written this program. Let's run this. Enter a positive integer. I will enter 19. It says 19 is odd number. We will run it one more time, and this time I will enter 100. It says 100 is even number. So a very simple program to understand if-else conditional statement and about the modulus operator. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.